China is absolutely essential. First, China itself is undertaking a rapid transformation. It's adding massive capacity of green energy like solar power, a huge expansion of potential. This is very, very important. It's very good news, wonderful news. But China's also making possible the transformation around the world because China has a vast productive capacity. It is now exporting these technologies all over the world. Electric vehicle exports are soaring. 5G exports are soaring because that's a key part of the solution and other countries want it. Fast rail, that China is a leader, is soaring. Photovoltaics is soaring. So China's great productive potential is the answer to the question here. China is cooperating with developing countries, of course, upper middle income countries in Southeast Asia and lower income or lower middle income countries in parts of Africa. The cooperation will spur the economic development of those partner countries. They will provide a good market for Chinese technology and Chinese products, but those technologies from China will also create economic development in the partner countries. So this is a true win-win proposition. And I think a strong partnership of China and Africa will enable Africa to achieve very rapid economic growth in the coming years. So I'm very excited about what the Green Belt and Road Initiative makes possible.